everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, my name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos over here. So today I'm back with the monthly favorites. I have top 10 products that I wanted to share and wanted to show you that I have been using from a long time and I'm loving using them. So without talking too much, let's get started. So the first product that I wanted to show you is a shampoo and a conditioner which I am currently using. I've been hearing about this product since a very long time and I wanted to try it on my hair. So my hair is a little short now. I actually don't even want to show you the length that I have now that I don't want to show you my hair. But yes, this hair shampoo and conditioner worked really beautifully in my hair. You know, it gave me a very soothing and soft hair. My hair is very frizzy, they are very dry. So the hair conditioner and the shampoo that I am currently using is the one by Herbal Essence. This is the Bio Renew. This is the Repair Argan Oil of Moroccan shampoo, and this is the same variant. This is the shampoo that it's in the same variant. So you have different variants in it, but I wanted to use the Repair one. So this is the hair shampoo and the conditioner which I'm using currently. These are very nice, and this does leave your hair very silky, smooth and soft. This is the first product. So next is a skincare product. So this is the Herbal Day Cleansing Cream. This is by the Face Shop. This is in the variant Aloe Vera. So I tend to use some makeup every second day. Every alternative day I need to cleanse and clean my face very nicely. So I triple cleanse my face. So the first step that I do for my face is either use a oil based, cleansing oil for removing my makeup, but sometimes it's very oily and then I see that it gives me pimples if I use that oil stuff on my face every day. So I have stopped using. I use that sometimes, मतलब हफ्ते में एक टाइम दो बार, या जब बहुत ज़्यादा heavy makeup होता है तो I tend to use that one. But for a normal cleansing thing that I do is I use this product and it's working very nicely on my face. So this is priced at 390 rupees, but I obviously got a discount. I bought it when there was a discount. This is my first tub, but I have used whole lot of it and I'm loving using it. Yes, this is the next product which I'm loving using, and this is my next monthly favorite. Very useful product that I have bought from Shein. So this is the dabba. It's not just a dabba. This is a box of cleaning your brushes. If I show you, this is something which you can clean your brush the moment you use some sort of color and then you want to use the same brush again. So just take this swirl in this dabba and your brush is clean. Okay, see, there is no more product. It is a very handy product to have with you. I love using it, and it's not expensive. You get all this sort of product in Sephora also, and they are very expensive. Matlab, you'll get it for 1500 2000 rupees. Makes no sense. Same काम करता है, तो I would refer you to buy this product. You'll get this from Shein. The product is very nice and I am loving using it, and this is my next monthly favorite. The next product, it is a liquid blush. Okay, so I wanted to use a liquid blush or a cream base. I had a cream based blush, but I somehow don't like it, but I wanted to use something in a liquid form. But I didn't wanted to go मतलब start नहीं करना चाहती थी कुछ बहुत expensive से. So this is the liquid blush by O2O. This is in the shade 01. You get different colors, but I got it in 01. Let me show you. It's light pink. It looks very very dark and all sort of this here. If you see, it has a little smell in it, but when you blend it out, if you see, it's very blendable. बहुत difficult नहीं होती है इसको blend करने में. It's quite buildable. You can blend it very nicely. It is very affordable. I don't actually remember the price. I got this from an Instagram page, but you can also get this from Curves and Lashes. It is a website where you get all sort of makeup which are very very cheap, affordable and nice quality. I don't mean cheap, I mean pricely बहुत कम दाम के होते हैं और products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So you can try and buy from them. So this is the next monthly favorites which I have, and I love using this on a daily basis when I don't want so much of a blush but just a little tint of flush of color in my face. So this is the blush which I use and I am loving using it. So the next product that I want to show you is something that you have seen me using like anything, and I have used and bought this product so many times. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and I am in the shade medium. Price for 695 rupees, but when you get discount, बहुत ज़्यादा discount नहीं रहती है इसमें, but you get थोड़ा बहुत discount because this is a very beautiful loose powder to set your makeup, to just dust it off over your makeup, to bake anything you want to do with a powder. This is a powder that you can do everything with. So I love using, and मेरे को नहीं पता मेरी कौन सी number of डब्बा होगा. I think so it's 10th 11th. जब से ये आया है तब से I don't have any other loose powders to use. This is the only loose powder that and this is my holy grail. I cannot, I don't think of buying any other loose powder because I know this is best and I don't want to experiment be. So yes, this is my not just a monthly favorite, this is my all-time favorite, and this is a must-have if you are using a loose powder, if you are in a habit of using or setting your base, or if you are from a oily, dry, sensitive sort of a skin type और आपको लगता है कि आपको पाउडर यूज़ करने से केकीनेस हो जाता है या बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी हो जाता है, skip your compact, use this loose powder, just take a little bit on your brush, dust off the excess and swirl it up. You will see your makeup getting set very nicely. It's a very beautiful setting powder, loose powder, कुछ भी कह लो, but I love this powder and this is my next favorite. So the next product is an eyebrow pencil. आपने अगर मेरी वीडियोस देखी है तो आपने देखा होगा कि मैं एट्यूड हाउस का आईब्रो पेंसिल बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. The next that I use is the Goof Proof by Benefit, but I wanted to change the eyebrow pencil. I wanted to use something different for another eyebrow pencil. So this is the next thing that I wanted to show you. This is the eyebrow pencil by Nykaa. I chose the shade 01. It's not it's like a, let me show you. So it has a spoolie and it has a pencil which you can sharpen. So if you see, the shade is like a brownish, it's like a dark brown grayish sort of a color. It's not gray, it's like a brown shade. So this is something which I have in my eyebrows. It is very pigmented. It is just बहुत आसान है इसके साथ काम करना. इट्स वेरी लाइट, इफ़ यू सी, बहुत सॉफ्टली भी अगर आप इसको कलर करते हो तो इट हैज़ दैट कलर एंड द पिगमेंट फॉर योर आईब्रोज. इट वॉज फॉर मी व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श हो गई थी, बट आई थॉट कि नहीं, इट्स वेरी क्रीमी और बहुत पिगमेंटेड है. तो इफ़ यू आर somebody who wants to use this pencil, try to go a shade lighter if you don't want too much of on to the face wala eyebrows. But if you like dark eyebrows and you want to fill them like very usual, और आपको dark eyebrows होने में problem नहीं, तो go with the shade that you would prefer. Nice, it's very handy also because the spoolie is also very nice. I love the eyebrow pencil. It's just a new buy and I'm only using this currently. You will see in most of my videos that I'm only using this one nowadays. So yes, this is my next monthly favorite. So next product is my favorite category of makeup, and that is a lipstick. So the next product that I wanted to show you is from my favorite brand of lipstick. This is by Sugar. This is the Sugar liquid lipstick. I don't know the range name of this liquid lipstick, but I also don't remember if I have showed you this one. But if I have showed you this one, this is worth showing you again. So I'm going to talk about the color which is here. This is the shade 10 Mimosa. Okay, ऐसा कोई भी दिन नहीं है कि मैंने ये कलर अपने लिप्स पे लगाया हो और मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स नहीं मिला। बारी नहीं तो मेरे को लोगों ने पूछा कि आपने कौन सी शेड लगाई है। ओके, सो दिस शेड इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। लेट मी शो यू द शेड। सो इफ़ यू सी, आई डोंट नो वेदर स्क्रीन में शो हो रही है या नहीं, बट the color is quite different from the normal reds, pinks, maroons, burgundies that we get. आप ये color जरूर try करना, हर skin tone पे beautiful लगेगी। I think this will be that one lipstick that I'll keep with me forever. So yes, this is my next, not only monthly but my lifelong favorite liquid lipstick, and I love this shade. These two products are high-end products, so let me show you the first product that I have for you. This is the Bobbi Brown foundation, and ये भी आपने मेरे को बहुत बारी यूज़ करते हुए देखा होगा। आई हैव होल लॉट ऑफ फाउंडेशंस, मेरे पास बहुत सारे फाउंडेशंस है, बट अगेन अगर मुझे सिर्फ एक फाउंडेशन यूज़ करने को मिले विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, ओके, देयर इज़ वन मोर फाउंडेशन विच आई लव बट दैट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया येट। सो उसको माइनस करके अगर मुझसे पूछा जाए विच इज़ वन फाउंडेशन विच आई लव, which I'll keep, is this one. This is my holy grail. I love this foundation because it does give me a very flawless, बहुत ही subtle makeup लुक देता है आपको। ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब बहुत सारे फाउंडेशन ऐसे होते हैं कि आप लगाओगे तो पता चलता ही है कि आपने फाउंडेशन लगाया है, बट दिस फाउंडेशन इज़ लाइक माई सेकेंड स्किन। इसमें बोला गया है फुल कवरेज, बट अगर आप जब फर्स्ट यूज़ या फर्स्ट लेयर लगाते हो देन इट गिव्स यू वेरी श्योर सॉर्ट ऑफ कवरेज। तो अगर आपको नॉर्मल कवरेज पसंद है तो यू कैन गो विद जस्ट वन लेयर, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू बिल्ड इट अप, दिस इज अगेन यू कैन गो विद द सेकेंड लेयर विदाउट एनी डाउट। दिस इज माई नेक्स्ट monthly favorites. So the last product which I have is by Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour. This is a contour Tantour whatever, so the name is very weird. So this is a beautiful packaging contour. See, I've used just a little bit, if you can see, क्योंकि बहुत कम लगता है। The shade is medium, okay, एंड ये आप जब ब्लेंड करते हो ना तो ये पाउडर फॉर्म पे आ जाता है। सो यू डोंट नीड बहुत ज़्यादा, यू जस्ट नीड जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट। और हम हर वक्त कॉन्टोरिंग नहीं करते, ब्रॉन्जिंग काफ़ी रहता है फॉर एवरीडे यूज़, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ स्पेशल इवेंट और समथिंग यू कैन कॉन्टोर योर फेस। सो आई डू कॉन्टोर व्हेन आई गो फॉर सम स्पेशल इवेंट और समटाइम्स इन माई वीडियोज़ ऑल्सो। सो दिस इज़ द प्रोडक्ट विच आई लव फॉर कॉन्टोरिंग। थोड़ी सी प्राइसी है, येस, and ये आपको I don't know whether it's available in Nykaa or not. I don't think it's available in Nykaa, but I think it is available in Sephora. So this is a very beginners friendly, ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत प्रोफेशनल हो तो ही यूज़ कर सकते। If you are a beginner, if you want to contour, just know the correct points where you want to contour your face. Just use start from a very little product and blend, and then you can build it up if you want more of a contouring sort of a look. So yes, this is my next monthly favorite. So yes, that was it. This was my monthly favorite top 10 products for you. I hope you liked the video. If you like any of the products या आपने यूज़ किया है या इसके बाद यूज़ करोगे तो do let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to see your comments. So if you like my work and you like the video, do not forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel and if you like my work, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.